Okay, I got all my nails covered, got my corners done. And I even went so far as to put a rubberized coating over some of these nails out here and along my curb. Just those are trouble spots I think I'm going to have. So I just put some liquid rubber, just paint it on. And I managed to get 2 sheets of tile board on Kijiji for like 20 bucks. So I can do the back wall and this wall with tile board, but I went to the hardware store to get a matching piece and I couldn't find one that really matched. Besides that, a new sheet is like 50 or 60 bucks and that's out of my budget. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to skim coat this with Portland cement and paint it with waterproof paint. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put a bonding agent on this wall before I apply my concrete. Okay, I'm using this Homecrete acrylic cement bond. You can get this at any hardware store. I find it really, I've used this before and it works really good. Your cement will never let go if you put this on it. Anyways, all you do is just paint it on. This stuff also keeps the cement board from drawing the moisture out of your Portland cement when you're applying it, so it doesn't dry so fast. Okay, I'm going to start along the edges first. I got my hawk full, and I borrowed some trowels to do this job. I'm going to go with that cheap trowel. As far as the hawk goes, you can make one of these out of plywood. I've done that before in a pinch. Just cut out a square piece of plywood, put a handle on the bottom of it, and it'll do the same job. Now you watch the cement. If you tip it, she'll slide off. It's not like drywall mud where it sticks a little better. But just get a blade full. Start right at the base and bring her up. Now I put tar paper down here to catch the drippings, and there's going to be a lot of them. So I'm just going to work my way around this edge. Okay, I got the cement all applied, the wall, the curb done in that corner. So what I want to do is I want to try to smoothen it out as much as I can. So what I'm going to do is Take my sprayer and just pat it down. And then I got my trowel here. And start from the top. Just pull her back. And don't worry too much about the trowel marks. We'll be fixing that in a bit. Just try to knock off the high spots and fill in the hollow. If you find the cement starting to get a little dry on you, just add a little more water. Okay, I got it, I'll call it rough leveled. Now I just want to check my level. I'm just using my my T-square and just to see how we're doing here. Oh, not too bad. Oh, there's a high spot right there. Add some more water. This just makes it a lot easier for troweling. Okay, I checked it a couple more times with my straight edge and I got rid of all the high spots and filled in the low spots. Now what I want to do is I'm going to take my garden sprayer and I just want to lightly spray it down again. Now I got this float. Now this is just a cheap disposable float. And all I want to do is just rough this up a little. So I'm just going to over this. I don't want to smooth. I want to have a little bit of texture to it. So when I do my painting, the paint will have something to stick to. Okay, a little water. And just a little water. I warn you, you put too much water, the cement will run right off. You just need enough so that you can work it with your trowel. Or in this case, a float. Just run that across there lightly, just to give me the right texture. There. Now I'll let that set up.